Dismembered body found near Gully along Chesterfield Drive in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew South Police are working to identify the human torso found near a gully along Chesterfield Drive last night. Reports are that at around 9:30 p.m., passers-by discovered the remains and alerted the police. Upon their arrival, the cops found a body missing its head, legs, and arms. The scene was processed and the body removed. The Hunts Bay Criminal Investigation Branch has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.